Exactly yesterday, Monday, the 3rd of November 2025, one of our besties have booked my one-on-one section for me to assist her son, a 20-year-old son, to get a loan to study in Canada, guys, through my loan program in Canada. Guys, that was when she said that she have gotten a job as a healthcare assistant in Ireland, guys, and boom, I was interested. I said, wow. So Ireland are still recruiting for healthcare assistants. She said, yes, she's currently processing her visa, but she wants her son to move to Canada because the son can no longer move with her as her dependent. So she wants to sort out her children as well while she and her husband relocates to Ireland. Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, if you are interested in moving to Ireland as a healthcare assistant, this opportunity is for you. Few years ago, the Irish government have announced a visa called the Care Visa Scheme, and this opportunity will give you offer to move to Ireland under the General Employment Program, guys. And yes, many people have successfully migrated to Ireland as a healthcare assistant. So guys, in today's video, when she said that, I asked her the exact company that recruited her to Ireland, and boom, she was happy to share why gatekeeping, why she have gotten a job and her visa is in process. So in today's video, I am happy, besties, to share with each and every one of you the particular organization, company that recruited this lady all the way from Nigeria to Ireland as a healthcare assistant. Guys, I promised her I'm going to share this opportunity, and she was happy. She said, Mama P, feel free, share it. There is no harm in other people trying, because we rise when we lift others. Guys, I am so happy. I am so happy for this opportunity that there are still organizations that are recruiting healthcare assistants to Ireland currently as we speak. And yes, so if you are interested, I will walk you through the exact company that recruited her and other organizations that I found during my research that are currently recruiting from overseas to Ireland. I will walk you through all the documents that you need to make this happen and a step-by-step guide on how to apply. So if this sounds so interesting to you, if Ireland is your dream country and you want to move there as a healthcare assistant, then this very video is for you. And while at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Subscribe. Let's take this channel to the next level. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notification so that each time I upload an amazing video, you that is watching me, will be the first person to get notified. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back, besties. I don't take your love for granted. Besties, thank you guys for all your support and all your encouragement. Mama P is back, and I'm back for good. Back-to-back content. You will get it from me back-to-back, all right? So guys, let's dive into this. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Adeze. You are highly welcome on this page with great content to enable you to relocate abroad without breaking the bank. So please join the family. Subscribe, hit the join button, become a channel membership. Let us roll together. Let's go into details, besties. So guys, what are the benefits of relocating to Ireland as a care worker? Number one is you have the legal rights to work in Ireland. You have a formal employment contract that will enable you to have the right to live and work in Ireland. Number two benefit is that you will be eligible to become an Irish citizen at the end of the day once you meet every other eligibility. The next opportunity is that you will be opportune to get employers that will help you with relocation support, guys. Relocation support. Some employers will help you with your flight ticket, visa processing, and even accommodation for you to settle in Ireland. And yes, you will be able to have access to free education for your children, free good healthcare with the Ireland HSE, right? And a lot of other benefits of moving to Ireland. Dear besties, there are many sectors that are recruiting in Ireland. We have the HSC, which is the government of Ireland, guys. The way we have NHS in UK here, we have HSE in Ireland. This is their general hospital. They also recruit internationally. The next one we have is the nursing homes, private home cares that recruit directly from overseas to their sectors, to their home cares, to their care homes, domiciliary care workers, support works. They recruit from overseas for you to come and work in Ireland. The next sector is agencies. There are different agencies that helps to recruit individuals from overseas to supply them to the government hospitals and to the private sectors in Ireland for the purpose of this care visa scheme that have been operating in Ireland for a few years now. Salaries in Ireland for a care worker start from 27,000 euros up to 30,000 euros per annum or more, depending on the employer. You can see 14 euros or 16 euros per hour for employment. Guys, once an employer employs you, this is how this visa works. You have to look for a employer that is willing to employ you and support you to move to Ireland. You provide all the necessary documents. The employer will provide you all the documents for your visa applications. You do the visa applications and boom, you are moving to Ireland. The next stage is that we are going to my screen, guys. I do not want this video to be too long. We are going to my screen. I am going to show you organizations that are currently recruiting in Ireland, and so that you can go to them and apply directly. Please watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you the tips that will make you successful at the end of the day. But before we go to my screen, remember that your CV, your curriculum vitae, is that document that will sell you to a potential employer. Whatever you are doing, guys, make sure your CV is standing out and your CV is identifying what employers in the Republic of Ireland are looking out for you to move to Ireland and work for them. Guys, we are also happy to support you with a CV review that will enable you to land the jobs in Ireland, guys. Yes, we get what it takes, guys. So if you need your CV to be revamped for you to use it for these Ireland applications, I will drop the link in the comment section and in the description box. Please go ahead and book our CV review strictly for Ireland healthcare applications, guys. And trust me, you will not regret doing so. When we construct the CVs for you, you will use it for these 3 organizations I will be mentioning in today's video, because the CVs will be tailored exactly to these 3 organizations. So if you want to move to Ireland this year or earlier 2026, please make sure your CV is outstanding and it's getting what these employers are looking for. Book it today and get it ready in a week time and get applying. So guys, let's go to my screen. Let me introduce you to these organizations that are recruiting, and that one of them have recruited one of us from Nigeria to Ireland. So guys, as you can see on my screen, the first organization is Resilience Care Group in Ireland. Opportunities for international carers with Resilience Care Group in Ireland. Guys, this is the first organization. This agency works in hand with MMA Healthcare to recruit healthcare workers from all over the world to Ireland, guys. So guys, this is it. Resilience what? Healthcare. This is the organization's name, and they recruit healthcare assistants from overseas to what? Ireland. If you come down here, he stated it clearly. He said opportunities for international carers with Resilience Care Group in Ireland. So guys, you read about this, all right? This is what they do. They recruit people into community care. So guys, they said Resilience Care Group is known for its comprehensive health and social care services across Ireland, providing support to children, adults, and families in various settings, including homes, communities, and respite care centers. They are dedicated to enhancing the quality of life of individuals requiring care in the face of challenges like injury, illness, and what? Disabilities. So guys, this organization are recruiting people to work in the care sector in Ireland, especially in the community. So if you don't mind being a domiciliary care worker, going to people's home for care for them, this is the right agency. So guys, opportunities nationwide. Resilience Care Group have vacancies in several locations across Ireland, including Cork, Clare, Kerry, Limerick, Tipperary, Kildare, and Galway. These roles offer international carers the chance to work within what communities, making a tangible difference in the lives of service users. All right, so guys, why choose the Resilience Care Group, guys? This is the reason you should go for them. They provide you the chance to see the direct impact of your support on service users and all that. I want you to read about it and all that. So let's come here and see the support they will be giving to you as an international healthcare worker, and let's see their training and development. This organization are ready to train you. So guys, if you have been so interested and bothered about trainings, guys, these organizations will train you. Let's see what they said here. Training and professional development. Resilience is committed to the growth and education of its employees, funding all necessary training for new carers. This includes comprehensive induction programs, shadow shifts, and specialized training in areas such as patient moving and handling, children first, SOVA, MAPA, and CPR and first aid, and among others. What is the benefits and support they are willing to give you as an international applicant? Resilience Care Group understands the complexities of locating and offers a range of support for international applicants, including visa assistance and guidance to help navigate the immigration process, pre-arranged accommodation for up to 8 weeks to ease the transition, reimbursement of fees associated with MBI registration and aptitude tests upon successful completion. For international carers looking to make a significant impact in community care, Resilience Care Group in Ireland presents an excellent opportunity with a commitment to employee training, job security, and culture of care. It is an ideal setting for those seeking to grow professionally and personally. So guys, if you're passionate about caring and ready to take on new challenges in a supportive environment, consider Resilience Care Group as your next career option, guys. So guys, for you to apply to Resilience Care Group, come to my screen on the website that I have shown you. You will see this place that says applicants. As you can see on top of my screen, the place that says applicants. Click on that and it will bring you to this page. They want you to select your overseas journey starts here, great salaries and benefits. So under care assistant, if you want to move to UK or Ireland as a care assistant, come here and select care in Ireland and it will bring you to this opportunity. They say join the program. Choose your dream location and begin your overseas journey to one of the best world top healthcare institutions. All location costs are covered by employers. Be connected to the best employer in Ireland. Be supported and prepared for your interview. Get a market-related salary and benefit. Be guided through your registration process. Your accommodation sorted before you arrive. Meet and greet at the airport and all that. So guys, look at all that. Now you come and do what? Register your interest. So guys, once you click on register your interest, guys, the form will open and you are going to fill this form and submit it. And there is an option for you to attach your CV. This place they are saying OET is not for you because you are not a nurse. All right, you are not a nurse. That option is for nurses. Remember, you're a healthcare assistant, guys. So you are going to drop your curriculum vitae in this box and then submit this form to them. And after they go through your applications and you meet all their requirements, besties, they will reach out to you and you get started. So here you choose your profession. You choose care what? Assistant, guys. You choose as a care assistant and fill all the required form, guys. You see? So please, know the ones you're supposed to fill and the ones you are not meant to fill, and attach your amazing CV that have been constructed to suit the job descriptions in Ireland. So guys, this is one of the organizations I have for you today. Let's go to the second organization. This is the direct care home called dovida.ie, guys. Dovida.ie. So this is their website, guys. You can see this is what they do. This is a nursing home in Ireland that are recruiting from overseas for care workers to come and work for them. So become a caregiver and all that, guys. So when you want to apply, come here and click on become a caregiver. So guys, look at it. They have some options. They say apply now, become a caregiver. Guys, look at that. They say at Dovida Care, you will present essential support to aging adults and all that. Whether you experience or not, they have comprehensive training and support, guys, with flexible schedules. So they have a team of over 4,000 caregivers all over Ireland. So guys, click on apply now. When you click on the apply now button, guys, you start your what? Application. Look at the form here. You start applying, guys. Look at all the requirements that they want from you. See the forms to fill, guys. See the forms to fill and everything. Phone number. You select your country there to put your country code. They recruit from overseas. They recruit from anywhere. I will choose Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria, although living in UK. When I choose Nigeria, you see that the country code for Nigeria is out now. I'll put in my phone number, age, blah, 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 and all that. So guys, where do you currently live? Preferred messaging method and all that. So guys, please fill the form and submit it. All right, this is it for this organization. The besties, that is it for these opportunities in Ireland. Like I said, the first step is for you to approach an employer to look for a job in Ireland and start applying. Please focus on sending your CVs, sending applications to these employers. Let them get to know you first. Let them invite you for an interview before you start discussing sponsorship. Many of them I've shown you today are all sponsoring. Be positive. Have a good CV that will attract these employers to you. Apply consistently. Apply aggressively. Apply and be positive about your application that you are going to get this job. Stop applying to jobs with negative mindset. If this lady that got this job is negative, she wouldn't be getting a job to relocate to Ireland, guys. This could be you as well. So pick up yourself and get to work. You can do it. People are doing it and you too can do it. So guys, this is it for today's video. For all of you going to apply to these opportunities, congratulations in advance. And I wish you the best as you apply. And I hope you come back with your testimonies to Mama P, right? I hope and wish you the best. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join my membership, guys. Yes, click that join button and become a part of my channel member. And yes, do not forget to like and share because we rise when we lift others. I will see you guys in our next video. For now, bye besties. Bye.